Ready to witness the most insane luxury on Earth? Let's soar in 4K over Dubai 2025, where the impossible became reality and the Skyline rewrites the rules of architecture. Starting at Burj Khalifa, the 828-meter needle piercing the clouds, where the observation deck on floor 148 puts you above the birds, and at night the tower transforms into a LED canvas, dancing with light shows that paint the desert sky. Glide to Palm Jumeirah, the man-made island shaped like a palm tree visible from space, where Atlantis The Royal just opened with 795 ultra-luxury suites, 17 restaurants by celebrity chefs, and an infinity pool that seems to pour into the Arabian Gulf. Swing through Dubai Marina, the vertical Venice where 200 skyscrapers frame a 3-kilometer canal, superyachts line the promenade like floating mansions, and the Marina Mall glows neon blue after sunset. Then hover over Burj Al Arab, the sail-shaped icon standing on its own island, where every suite is a duplex. Gold leaf covers 22-carat surfaces, and a Rolls-Royce fleet waits to chauffeur guests to private beach clubs. Rise above the world islands, 300 artificial islands forming a world map in the Persian Gulf, where private estates sell for hundreds of millions and helicopters are the preferred transport. Then cruise over Dubai Frame, the 150-meter golden picture frame that literally frames old and new Dubai in one view. Step inside the sky bridge with a glass floor 150 meters up and watch traffic crawl beneath your feet. Drop into the Dubai Mall, not just a mall, but a city within a city. An Olympic-sized ice rink, a 3-story aquarium with 33,000 sea creatures, and 200 stores where you can buy a Lamborghini next to a gold-dispensing ATM. Outside, the Dubai Fountain performs a water ballet every 30 minutes, jets shooting 150 meters high, choreographed to everything from Arabic classics to Celine Dion. What makes Dubai unforgettable isn't just the superlatives, it's the textures. The vertigo at the top of Burj Khalifa, when clouds drift below you, the cool marble under your feet in Burj Al Arab's lobby, the warm Gulf breeze on the Palms Crescent, the electric buzz of Marina at midnight, the surreal silence hovering over the world islands, the bass thump of the fountain show vibrating your chest, and that perfect moment when the call to prayer echoes between skyscrapers at golden hour. If this mind-blowing luxury in Dubai 2025 just jumped onto your bucket list, tap like, tell me which spot you're visiting first, and subscribe to Birdseye Travel for more narrated cinematic 4K journeys from above, where luxury looks truly unreal.